When AI writes code, it's not actually thinking like a human programmer. Instead, it's predicting what code should come next based on patterns it learned from massive amounts of programming data. The moment you type a prompt like create a login page or build a Python calculator, your request is broken into smaller chunks called tokens. The AI model then analyzes those tokens and compares them against billions of examples it has seen during training, including programming languages, frameworks, syntax patterns, and coding structures. Within milliseconds, the AI begins predicting the most likely next line of code, one token at a time, almost like advanced autocomplete, but on a massive scale. As it generates the code, it also keeps track of context, meaning it remembers the functions, variables, and instructions already mentioned in your prompt, so the output stays logically connected. If you ask it to create a React app, for example, the AI recognizes common React structures, imports, component patterns, hooks, and styling conventions. It can even generate API, databases, authentication systems, and UI layouts because it has learned how these pieces are commonly connected in real-world software projects. But here's the interesting part. AI doesn't actually understand code the way humans do. It doesn't truly know what a login system or button means. It's mathematically predicting patterns that statistically make sense based on previous data. That's why AI can sometimes generate brilliant code, and sometimes produce broken or insecure code that looks correct on the surface. Modern AI coding systems also use additional layers like code execution environments, debugging loops, retrieval systems, and agent workflows to improve accuracy. Some AI tools can even test their own code, identify errors, rewrite failed sections, and try again automatically before showing you the final result. And all of this happens in just a few seconds. What used to take developers hours can now happen almost instantly with AI-assisted coding. Like what you just saw? Subscribe to Learn with Whiteboard for more tech lessons like this one.